Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war. Viewers, according to the sources, a report that is spreading the war in Ethiopia. The Tigray soldiers of Tigray Defense Force are now focusing on the power of the army in Debre Birhan town. Tigray officials are insisting that they will continue the development of different aspects of the war in Ethiopia, with mostly focus on the important city Debre Birhan, which is seen as this is the last defense of Amhara Ethiopia in somewhere outside the capital of Addis Ababa. Abiy Ahmed has the rank of the army colonel who is a secretary of TPLF is now fighting with the Tigray army who is in Addis Ababa. Abiy Ahmed recently said that he is heading to the front of the war to lead his army. Videos from the government show him dressed in military uniforms around him, as visible as he is in the thirsty region of Kanfur in the northeastern capital of Ethiopia. We have succeeded in cleaning this place completely, Abiy said in a video and fair while he was in the town of Afar region. Truly, the intention of the defense force are very big. We will continue until the freedom of Ethiopia is assured, he said his speech. The Prime Minister said that his troops are in the process of taking over many cities with TPLF. But those who claims make it difficult to ensure access and communication in limited areas of conflict and reporting updates while prohibiting any military movements or results alka that Abiy Ahmed government is not happy about. In Addis city, the ruling party of prosperity is organizing public ceremonies to organize war. We are at war the domestic traitors and their foreign supporters, said Etisa Dem, a member of the Amhara Regional Council. I am called to go and fight for the honor of my country. You can cry if your family is killed, but where are you going if you lost your country? That is why I am ready to sacrifice my life. I am not afraid to those who of us who sacrificed our lives of the country. There is no training yet. Take it, said a 20-year-old man, Babu Shituta. Also, Jerry women were brought out, including a woman named Dinkish Nigatu, and she was among the people who gathered in the area who would go to the war. I love my country. I wanted to go to war, but my son and my husband both told me that I am at home and they will fight for my name, said an Amhara woman who hates Tigray. And now I am roaming the streets with my boys and husband fighting the front lines of war. Every time I see people on the streets, I tell them to go and fight. I don't have to wait till the enemy comes and comes. Kill all of us, she told the America speaking TV of Fano, this woman, the Amhara training for war. Abiy Ahmed has made Ethiopia a civil war collapsed by dictator Isaias Afwerki who had an enemy of for Ethiopia, but now it seems that Ethiopia is heading to the road of war and war it has been 1 year since there was civil war. Ethiopia is the country the second most population in Africa has shown the back of western countries who are not happy with Abiy Ahmed administration and are going to the east side. And viewers, according to the sources, killing and displacing Tigrayan people by Amhara forces. The Amhara hopeful forces have killed and displaced people from their homes in the western zone of Tigray. Tens of thousands of people are being hated in different cities of Tigray. The fascist group is noting these people who are being displaced every time and not getting any humanitarian aid are being exposed to hunger and suffering. The displaced people who have been displaced from Exum city, Humera area in a refuge center in Exum city are in extreme hunger and suffering. The displaced Ecluse and the people of Exum have expressed that they have come to support them until recently. But at this time, they have explained that the people are in the same problem. This is how the Tigrayan army has expressed that they are hoping to pass through the amazing killings that the Tigray army has been recording in every fight. The displaced people who have caused by the fascist atrocities and suffering have indicated that they are joining the Tigrayan army to shorten the age of the enemy and ensure the freedom of the people of Tigray. On the other hand, Sudanese army commander Abdul Fattah al-Burhan has visited the border of Sudan with Ethiopia after attacked the front line of Sudan and Ethiopia in Al-Fashaka region. Sudanese military leader General Abdul Fattah al-Burhan visited the dispute region of Al-Fashaka with the army at the border of Ethiopia and Sudan after Amhara militia killed several Sudanese soldiers. The visit to Al-Burhan to Al-Fashaka area was to look at the Sudanese soldiers and the situation of the eastern border of the country, said the Sudanese news page. Sudanese military has not yet released an official statement about Abdul Fattah al-Burhan visit. The Sudanese army said that 6 soldiers were killed in an attack that occurred in the controversial area of Al-Fashaka at the border of Ethiopia. Sudan and Ethiopia, with a border of 600 km, have recently renewed the triple-way conflict with Al-Fashaka, a farmland border with no defined signs. Addis Ababa accused Sudanese military of taking over Ethiopian land. The ongoing conflict in Ethiopia is now having a wide effect in the Horn of Africa. There is a big fear that it may turn into warfare in East Africa. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.